In your impatience, you say I am like the red stoplight on the street. I say I am like the waves that crash onto the seashore. Unstoppable. In your frustration, you say I am like a stone. Immobile. Left behind. I say I am like a pen. Wild writing. Eager to express new ideas. Hiding under the blanket. Rejected. You say I am lost. Broken with nowhere to go. Silence. I say I am like a bird that opens her wings and flies. In your assumptions, you leave me behind. To eat up the sun. Dark. But I'm like a speeding light. Shining into people's hearts, spirits and souls. Finding the good within each of them.